Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we'll guide you on how to manage application payments for consultancy, a simple way to keep your billing accurate and every transaction properly recorded against the right client. First, click Consultancy to open the Consultancy Management area. Next, navigate to Applications and click it to pull up all your consultancy applications. Here you'll see your full list of applications, along with their customers, services, and current status. From here, click through to open the payment view for the application we'll be handling today. This opens a form where you can enter the details of the payment, the date, the bank account it's directed to, and a short description. Filling this in properly is what keeps your payment records clean and easy to trace later. The date is already pre-selected, and you're free to edit it. But for this tutorial, we'll leave it as it is and move on to choose the bank account for this payment. In this case, Consultancy firm. Then add a payment description in the notes. This is where you capture exactly what the payment was for. For example, this payment is for the cybersecurity consultation. Once entered, click Add Payment to log the transaction and save it against this application. Back on the application page, you'll see the payment has now been documented, with its status showing as processing. Now, to see how everything ties together, navigate to Payments. This brings up every payment across your consultancy applications in one place, with the amount, date, and whether each one is pending, cleared, or canceled. To clear or cancel a payment, click either the Good or X button. In this case, we'll clear the entry we just documented. Once the payment is cleared, click this button to open up its details. This page gives you the key details of the payment at a glance. Now click Applications to head back to your list and check the status of the application we just cleared the payment for. And there it is. The application status has updated and now shows completed. That's a wrap on managing application payments for consultancy. You've now learned how to record a payment against an application, add a clear note explaining it, and review it from the Payments section. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.